Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change hair color on CapCut. So guys, at first you need to select the video that you want to edit. And after selecting your video, just tap on Effects. Now tap on Body Effects. Now tap on the search bar and search hair color. Now tap on the first one. Now tap on Adjust. Now you can make the color that you want. Now go back. And guys, make sure that the color should match the length of your video. Now play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.